Hello guys, welcome to Dance IT Network. So now that the static route and the default route is working on this routers, and this PC can communicate to this PC, and also this PC to this PC, and definitely that this PC can communicate to this PC as well because they can ping each other, right? So let's view the routing table on this router, okay, just to check okay what happened to the um, routing table, and we'll try to observe and examine, right? So I am on the global config mode. Let's type exit, and then I'm on a privilege mode. Just gonna need to type show space IP space route. Okay, so here we go. So now um, this two network and five network and three network that it doesn't know about before, now it is showing now on the routing table. So the 192.168.2.0 is now showing, and it says it here is directly connected to a serial 0/1/0, okay, which is this router. Okay, it goes out to this interface. Okay, that is the um, serial that it goes out, and then since it's a static that we set up, it shows in here that it's static. So S stands for static. Okay? This is the static route that we created. And also, we created another um, static route, okay, which is on this 192.168.3.0. So definitely that it can reach this network, right? Okay. And also, it can reach this network as well, the network 5, which is 11.0.0.0, and it's on the static route as well. Okay, and it's the 11.0.0.0/8. It's a class A um, IP address. Is directly connected to a serial 0/1/0, which is the meaning of um, that part is going out on this serial 0/1/0. In order for this router to reach this network, it goes out on this serial port. Okay, all right, and let's close this. Let's open the next router. I'm gonna open this one, and I'm gonna type the same thing. So I'm on the global config mode, and let's type exit, okay, and type show space IP space route, and let me spread this. Same thing that it has a static route, right? So it can reach the 192.168.1.0 network, which is this network, okay? And it also has a static of 192.168.3.0, okay, here. And it can now reach this three network, okay, using the static that we execute, all right? And it says in here is directly connected to a serial 0/1/1. Why? Okay, so for this router to reach this network, it needs to go out on this serial interface, which is 0/0/1/1. Okay, and let's check the last router. So on this router is we set up a default route, right? So I'm gonna open this, and then hit enter. um, Type show space IP space route. Okay, so this router is different. Okay, um, as you see, it shows in here S for static, and then asterisk. Meaning of this is a default route. Okay, and it says in here 0.0.0.0/0, meaning any unknown network. All right, and it's directly connected serial /1/1, just on this interface. So for this router um, to communicate to all of the unknown network outside, okay, it needs to go out on its serial interface, serial 0/1/1, which is as showed on the routing table. Okay, and you notice that um, on the one network and four network and two network is I am not seeing that network in here. Okay, I'm not seeing the 1.0. Okay, I am not seeing the 2.0, and I'm not seeing the 10.0.0.0. Why? It's because it's a default route, meaning we just set a 0.0.0.0, meaning any unknown network. So this is much easier compared to a static route, because on the static route is you need to identify what is the network that you want to communicate with. But on this default route is any network. Okay, so let me close this and let's do further observation on this router. I'm gonna click this router again, the first one, and let's view the running configuration this time. Okay, so I am on the privilege mode. You can show space and then run stands for running config. Hit enter, then space for more, space again, space to see the information below. And let me spread this. Okay, also spread this one. Okay, all right. So you notice that on the running configuration, the IP route that the IP command that we executed, okay, it is showing on the running configuration. You can actually double check here the running configuration if the commands that you input are correct. Let's say, for example, you encountered a problem on the network, then you can view the running configuration and um, determine if you have or if you input um, um, invalid IP address. Okay, you can check that. Like for example, in here on this interface, gigabit 0/0. Let's say, for example, you encounter problem on the connection, like you were able to instead of one, you put this as five. Okay, so by viewing the running configuration, you'll be able to determine that you input the invalid IP address. Okay, so this is great for network troubleshooting, viewing the running configuration. And this is the IP address on the serial. Okay, all right, and that's it. We're gonna exit on this one. And you can also uh, run the show running configuration on the other routers though. Okay, let's say if you encountered problems on the network, then you can do network troubleshooting, okay, and view the configurations that are listed on the running configuration.